This video is about oats banana pancakes for babies and toddlers. These little pancakes are ideal for baby-led weaning and finger foods for babies and toddlers. Oatmeal contains high amount of fiber, manganese and zinc. They help in providing healthy appetite and preventing gas formation in babies. Oatmeals are high in fiber and helps act as a natural laxatives and preventing constipation in babies. Oatmeal contains high amount of proteins and other ingredients that help in increasing your child's immunity and improve its skin and hair health and texture. It also provides instant energy for your babies. Quarter piece of banana, 3 tablespoons of milk. You can use breast milk or formula milk, or you can also just add a little water. You can use cow milk in case of toddlers. And I have taken 3 tablespoons of oats and dry roasted it in low flame and powdered it in the blender. This is the oats powder that I am going to use in this recipe. Take quarter banana and mash it using a masher. You can also puree if you don't have masher. Next, add 3 tablespoons of dry roasted and powdered oats. Add 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix the ingredients together and your batter is ready. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon for flavor. Once the tawa gets hot, start putting the batter using a small spoon. Try to keep the size small so that the baby can hold it easily and feeds itself. In case of toddler, you can make the pancake slightly larger. As I'm making for 7-month baby, I'm keeping the size very small so that the baby can hold it itself, grab it in its fingers and put it into its mouth. This is called baby-led weaning, where baby tries to feed its food by itself. You'll be surprised to see how babies are capable of doing it. When you give this kind of finger foods to your babies, they can easily grab it and put it into their mouth. Next, add some ghee onto the tawa and spread it evenly so that it coats most of the small pancakes. Once done, flip it using a spoon. It comes out easily. And cook on both the sides. I'm not adding any sweetener in this recipe because it's already flavored with banana and it has complete flavor of banana. It tastes just like banana. As we all know that baby loves to eat banana, so they would love to eat these pancakes. Now these banana oatmeal pancakes are ready. These are soft and very squishy and babies can easily grab it in their hand and eat it. If you like this recipe, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such baby led weaning recipes. Thank you.